Here we go. Dylan for 2. MDCC 8 through 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times.
Panini's charging crazy money, so why not we? I think that's why they think they can justify paying 10 times for it. Because we're just going to up the price, and if you don't want it, don't buy it.
So MDCC Dylan in the second.
Yeah, when I saw that yesterday, I was like,
and
oh,
the fifth.
And then people said, you know, they might try to break tops just all, you know, since that's their main staple. They're going to try to break the rest of the licenses apart to give you. And anyway, the show the Goldbergs, the creator, it's based on the True Life, well, loosely based on the.
Okay, and here are the numbers. This is the left side serial number 0 once goes to the Immaculate.
Not to be confused, they went to school together, believe it or not. But Adam Goldberg's a real skinny guy, and Adam F. Goldberg's the show's based off of his family. And so he's a showrunner. He also is a.
Don't know where they are, Abby.
Huge
No.
Worth a lot of money.
No.
But he's trying to put some people together to try to go to Eisner and make a serious offer for the GPK brand and take over that side of that business too. And he said, you know, don't know if it's going to hit or happen or whatever, but he's.
Give Sean some.
For sure.
Yeah.
Abby, give Sean some of these too.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Do what? No, we're just gonna give them.
0 through 9, 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 times. So we have MDCC with 6, Dylan with the 0, MDCC with the 9, MDCC with the 4, Dylan with the 7, MDCC with 1, 5, 3, 2, and 8. Basically, Dylan, you have 0 and 7. MDC has all the other cards.
It's hard to keep them running. It's just thought this about getting over with first of this year. It looked like vaccines we want to start making us get away from it, but then
All right, good luck, guys. Here's what I got. MDCC was 6, Dylan was 0, MDCC with 9 and 4, Dylan was 7, MDCC with 1, 5, 3, 2, and 8. Good luck, guys. Thank you. Good luck, you guys. Here we go. Oh, we got one nice one. For sure. Jumbo Cleats Tongue logo. 2 of 2 for Alex Kirilloff. Two of 2 goes to MDCC. Very nice. Mike Schmidt, 6 of 10, goes to MDCC. Nice Hall of Fame. Even looks like you got some dirt on the jersey. Aaron Judge, Shadow Box Signatures Black to Dylan.
Kentucky and found a box of
9 of 10, Clutch, Josh Fleming.
Below eBay, so I bought it and I got an Obi Toppin autographed to 10.
Oh my gosh.
Which wasn't too bad. I mean,
No, that's great.
9 is MDCC.
That's real great.
I'm not big on Obi, but he is from the Knicks.
34 of 75.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
So 4
He's another good one though. That's
is MDCC, Jumbo Bats, Jeff McNeil.
no. Sure.
And, oh, nice way to end. 11 of 25, Cabrian Hayes, Jumbo Fielding Glove Rookie Auto.
Scott, this is Sonia from All Star. How are you?
There you go.
I'm doing well.
Nice way to end.
We got one.
1 goes to MDCC. Hey, guys, it balanced out reasonably well.
12 cards in it, and it's ready for pickup whenever you are ready.
Thank you, D'Agostino. Do you want the box here? I'm happy to ship you the box.
That